Right, next level is level 15. For the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level port 30,001 on localhost using SSL/TLS encryption. Oh my goodness. Helpful note. Getting done renegotiating or key update, read the connected commands section in the man page. Oh dude, I feel like crying. What do they mean read the connected commands section in the man page? What SSL? What is SSL? SSL, Secure Sockets Layer, is an outdated encryption protocol that secures data transmitted between a website and a browser, preventing hackers from stealing information. Like, okay, but how is that relevant to me? We use SSL in Linux, I guess. Yeah, because I saw TLS there. Does not look good at all. Obtain an SSL TLS certificate. No, I don't think we need to do all this. This is so complicated. That is too complicated. I think it's more simple than that. Okay, you know what? Fine. I'll just read the documentation. I don't even feel like reading all this. Like, I'm too lazy. I just want to know how we get the password. Oh, tell me about flipping handshakes. What is a handshake supposed to help with? This is too much. Like, my brain, I'm too cooked to handle all this. I hope one day I'll be able to read through something like this and actually have the patience to, but not today, fellas. The password for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level to port 30,001 on localhost using SSL TLS encryption. These are the commands you need to know. Okay, I'm going to go on a whim and guess it's this one. I feel like I'm cheating a bit, but oh well. Supposed to be open SSL and then 30,001 localhost. Invalid command 30,001. Okay. How does OpenSSL work? OpenSSL command options, parameters. Okay, OpenSSL command line program. OpenSSL is a cryptography toolkit implementing a secure sockets layer and transport layer security network protocol and related cryptography standards required by them. But how do we access a server? I believe that's what we're doing, right? We're accessing a server somewhere on port 30,001. There's a lot of random stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna quit. Okay, so I'll just do open SSL help. Wow, there's a lot. This thing has a lot of commands, like too many. Standard commands are this. I don't see any that can help us because I don't know any of them. Maybe it's this one. S client could be. S client, S server. These seem relatable and helpful. Oh, okay. Let me just breathe and read. Breathe and read. BNT. How to submit password using SSL/TLS. Submitting a password using SSL/TLS primarily involves ensuring the communication channel itself is encrypted rather than applying additional encryption to the password data before transmission. Okay, but how do we actually do it? You haven't told us. Transmitting, server-side handling, and a bunch of other nonsense. Maybe I'm asking the wrong questions. Dude, I feel so dumb, like these initial steps, because, dude, I feel like I do not know. Like, I don't know thing. I keep on checking the flipping write-up because, dude, I feel so blank. Blank is what I'm feeling. I'm at level 0.69 because I feel dumb. But slowly we'll get there. Slowly we'll get there. Getting heart beating. That's what we got. Yeah, this is confusing. We know that we have to connect to a service on port 30,001 using SSL encryption. The simplest way to achieve this is using the OpenSSL command along with S-Client. I knew it, which allows to connect to services on our machine using SSL. But what is the format? OpenSSL S-Client-connect localhost to the port. Copied, and then I'm going to I'm not in the server no longer. Sit here. Oh, connected. Fancy. This is a lot. This is a lot actually. Certificate session. Wow. Read R block. What is the R block? Read R block. So am I just supposed to type stuff here? Wrong. Please enter the correct current password. It just kicked me out. We're meant to submit the password for this level, I guess. So we'll have to redo all that. So I'm going to copy the password first and then redo this and then paste in the password. Oh, correct. Cool. That was the password we needed. Very nice. Okay, that's level 16 done. I still don't know where this would have been relevant. I'm just going to continue reading the guy's write-up and see if you use them anywhere. Okay, on to the next level. Okay, getting some small knowledge, some knowledge here and there. My goal today is to get to level 20, so I'm 3 levels away. Level 16. Level goal. The credentials for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level to a port on localhost in the range 31,000 to 32,000. That's 1,000 different potential ports. First, find out which of these ports has a server listening on them. Then, find out which of those speak SSL/TLS and which don't. There's only one server that will give the next credential. The other will simply send back to you whatever you send to it. Okay, that is kind of scary. Still telling me about this, but I do not know what they mean. And these are the commands we need to use. So what I do know is I think I can use this tool Nmap. I've come across it here and there. So, and I know Nmap is basically like the god of networks and scanning and all that type of stuff. I see nothing talking about it here, this Wikipedia page about port scanning, but yeah, so I don't know we need a port scanner because there are different 65,535 ports that exist in the world. So yeah, we need to get to work right away. So level 16 to 17. So I guess first, we actually need to get to level 16. Boom, and we're in level 16. What's in level 16? Nothing really. Probably has Nmap, I hope. Nmap, hell. Okay, cool. It's starting. That's fine. So now, I do remember in Nmap we can set a range. So I'm going to check how to set a range Nmap. Nmap is actually a pretty easy tool. Like the number of times I've used it, it was such a breeze to use and it was really helpful. So I'm kind of positive about this one. Oh, I should have said how to set a port range. Set a port range in Nmap. Use the -p flag followed by the range, separated by a hyphen, such as Nmap -p blah 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 target. Alright, the target is supposed to be an IP address. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, let me just try this for now. Nmap-p, then 31,000 to 32,000. It'll tell me to, yeah, 320,000. Sorry, try again. No targets were specified, so 0 hosts scanned. What if we target localhost? Is that even a thing? Oh, the 60% keyboard keeps bugging me. Oh, nice, nice, nice. All these were closed. These are the 4 that remain. This one has TCP, 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 and they're open. We need to narrow it down, right? Because it's just one that we need. First, find out which of these ports have a server listening in on them. Oh, how do we do that? Then find out which of those speak SSL or TLS and which don't. Speaking. Are they speaking? There's only one server that will give the next credentials. The others will simply send back to you whatever you send it. So I don't know if Nmap is cut out for this job, but either way I'll try. So I'm going to check how to find SSL or TLS using Nmap. To find SSL, TLS information using Nmap, specifically the supported protocols and cipher suites, you can utilize the SSL enum ciphers and scripting engine script. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna copy all this and then paste it here and change what we need. Target host is actually localhost. Flipping heck. Then the port range is 31,000 to 32,000. And yeah, I hope this will work. Whoa, what's all this? So a lot of them seem to have SSL open. Actually, I think 3. This one looks like it does. This one looks like it does. 31,790. Is there another one? No, just 2. Can we narrow it down again? Oh wait, no. Now can we just like this 2? I guess. This is 31,518 and 31,790. 31,518 and 31,790. Okay. There's only one server that will give the next credentials. The other will simply send back to you whatever you send it. First, find out which of these ports have a server listening on them. Okay, I think we've identified that. Okay, so what if we do an Nmap on these individual servers? So let's start with 31,518. We do like a deep scan. So that will be nmap-a and -p is 31,518 on localhost. -a technically means like all. It just does everything, the whole like shebang. Right, A. It's writing D. What the hell? Why is my A? I'm literally clicking the A and it's writing D. Like, this is so trippy. Let me just show you guys. So yeah, I'm literally clicking Shift A, but it's appearing as D, which is so crazy. What the hell is that? What if I write D? No, D is C. Okay, my keyboard is fully tweaking now. Oh, I figured it out. It was because arrow keys were selected, so we couldn't really do anything about that. Okay, let's go. Oh wait, and also I'll put -T4, which is basically tells it to like run fast. TCP open SSL echo. SSL echo. I mean, based off of that, I just feel like this is the one. If we send it something, it's going to send it back. But hey, I can't hate the game, hate the player. Can't hate the player, hate the game, sorry. Because I feel like we've like snaked our way into this just because I knew how to use Nmap. But either way, let's now try with 31,790, which is the other option. If you get the same results, then I'm on to nothing. So this one is SSL unknown. Very interesting. So fingerprint settings, a lot of stuff. Oh, for request, Looks like it tried submitting a password, but it was told to enter the correct current password. One service unrecognized despite returning data. Okay, that's very promising. So I guess you just have one more thing to do, which is try to ping it or try to submit something. So let me see if I've learned anything throughout this whole session. I'm going to clear this, and then what am I going to do? I think netcat, then the port 30,790, and then localhost Bandit 16 at localhost. I think it was just localhost. Port number invalid. I do feel like we're really close. I feel like we're really close. I'm going to see how this guy did the other one, or how we did the other one. Oh right, since this is SSL, we need to use OpenSSL, then the SL client. I could spell client, or just S client, not SL. So we just need to use the SSL S client option. So I think after this 30,790, no, I need to know how to type this well actually. Oh, so this is the format. You have to say -- connect, then localhost, colon, then the port. Of course, just like in level 14, I think the password will be in /etc bandit pass. It's not a directory. Okay, I guess we need to go back to root, then I need to cd there. So just like in level 14, I'm guessing it will be in etc bandit pass, and then we just cut bandit 16. The 60% keyboard is annoying me so much. Boom. We're just going to get this. Then now for the moment of truth, open SSL, then the S client, and localhost at port 31,790, I think it was. Then we just paste the password. Wrong? Really? Why is it wrong? Why is it wrong, sir? Did I paste the wrong one? Did I copy the wrong one? I highly doubt it was this one. Yeah, that is weird. I'm just going to try again for good measure. Wait, it could be that I got the port wrong. Could I? I should have probably written it down somewhere, but no, it was 30,790, not 31,000. My bad. Dude, you see, the one number can literally cost a whole connection refused. Okay, now this is getting confusing. Was it actually 31 or 30? I'm just going to check the write-up. Just 31. Okay, or maybe I got the wrong password. Could I have? I don't think so. But to just clear all this, clear our minds and do it over. So this is indeed 30. Wait, let me just confirm that. I keep on forgetting it's 31. Okay, it's 31. And if I paste the password, wait, did it work? I don't know. Paste again. I'm just saying key update. Key update? Has my key expired or something? Maybe. Key update. What does that mean? This is all. Dude, I know what went wrong. I did not specify what to do. The command. This should have been connect. I did not put the connect tag. I'm such a silly goose. I'm still getting key update. How? How is that even possible? What does the key update even mean? Was that when I was supposed to enter the password? Nope. Okay, this is bugging me now. I'm going to just paste it again. What the? What am I doing wrong? Bandit 16. I'm just going to cut Bandit 16. Copy this again, and then rerun the whole command. OpenSSL client connect localhost 31,790. Okay, paste this in. Key update. What does that even mean? Okay, I'm so confused at this point. Wait, could I have been using the wrong password this whole time? Isn't this one the same that we have here? Yeah, it is, which is weird. Wait, what level are we on? I'm getting this wrong. Level 16 to 17. Okay, that's good. Submitting the password of the current level to a port on localhost, the range 31 to 32. Okay, we already found it. What do we need to do with it? Like, we already found it. It's 31,790, and it's the one I'm on. I did enter the correct current password, right? There's no way this should be Bandit 17. We're on level 16. So confused as to where I'm getting it wrong. And then this guy's password was different. I guess it just changes server to server. I don't know. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna put in his password and see if that works. That was the wrong password. Okay, cool. Good to know.
Glad I could help.
Maybe it's because I was in that directory. Could it be? I don't know. Another trial. It just keeps on telling me key update. I don't know what key update is. This is so frustrating. Is this my future? Is this how I'm going to be leading my life? OpenSSL client connect. Yeah, I'm doing all that. Okay, it just keeps on saying key update. I think I'm just gonna end it here because I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I've literally tried and tried again. I don't know where I'm going wrong. Let me just log into level 16 because it's where you are. Pretty sure everything was correct. I still do not understand how it got stuck, but either way, again. For level 16, the credentials can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level to a port on localhost in the range this to this. We already found the port, so we don't need to redo all this. I think it was 31,790 it was. Yeah, 31,790. We're supposed to use OpenSSL S client, then localhost 31,790, which is the port. I need to say connect. Okay, I think we're good. Let's see. Okay, normal stuff. Just the same thing we had yesterday, but I'm going to go ahead and paste the password. Key update. Again, maybe, could this be the password? Maybe this is what you're looking for. Because it just keeps on saying key update. Please enter the correct current password. Closed. What? Because if we check like the others, I'm pretty sure the password is the correct one. So I'll just go to root and then cat tc bandit pass, which is where the password is, then bandit 16. Maybe it should be 17. Could it be? No, I don't think it's 17 though. So I'm just going to copy this and paste. Oh, key update. Wait, maybe it requires the one for 17. Huh? Oh, wait. Helpful note, getting done renegotiating or key update, which is what you're getting. Read the connected commands section in the man page. We are getting key update. How did I miss this yesterday? Read the connected commands section in the man page. Okay, cool. Clear all this. Connected commands. So what are you manning? OpenSSL? Connected commands. Man summary, configuration, standard commands. I don't see anything about connected commands. It's like a lot of lines. A lot. Options. Okay, common options. Wait, is this thing alphabetical? Oh, never mind. I'm just seeing options. Nothing about connected commands, to be honest. And we've reached the end. Summary of less commands. Searching, jumping, changing files, miscellaneous commands, options. Wow, there's a lot of options like line editing. That's the end. Press G to see it again. Yes. They did say connected commands. Okay, we're not really making any progress here. Or maybe it's localhost manual. Okay, no, that can't be right. The localhost is just the machine. Local command found. Either way, I'm just going to check OpenSSL connected commands. Nothing very helpful here. It's telling me client stuff. OpenSSL getting key update. Okay, something here. In OpenSSL, a key update refers to the process of updating the cryptographic keys used for a TLS 1.3 connection. This is a mechanism designed to enhance security by regularly refreshing the keys used for encrypting and decrypting data during a session. Okay, so I guess I should key update with the special command key up within S client. Initiates a key update. How do we do that? Yes, this is what I needed. Reddit. I keep getting key update. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm going through. Wow, go to their Discord. As a first, go to their Discord. They personally help there. I already tried. The answer was read better. And then they never answered me again. That's crazy. Try harder. Yeah, definitely. When used interactively, which means neither quiet nor how, certain commands are also recognized which perform special operations. These commands are a letter which must appear at the start of a line. They are listed below. Oh, okay. So if the password starts with one of these keystrokes, it will trigger an action. Use the dash quiet. It won't be the case. Oh, wow. So because the password starts with K, so it's triggering a key update. Oh my gosh, dude. So that's why they were saying read better. Wow, that's very interesting. Okay, we have to use the dash quiet command. So I'm guessing we just send dash quiet. I hope so. We cannot provide both connect option and target parameter. Or maybe it should be before. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, it probably makes sense to be before. Can't use SSL get server name. I just paste the password now. Oh, let's go. Let's go. We got the private key. Let's freaking go. Oh, let's go. Bish bash bosh. I'm so happy. I'm just gonna copy this. Thank God. We'll copy that. Probably gonna make a new one here. Yep. Go. That's a private key over there. Okay, what next though? Is this similar to 15 to 16? We're supposed to. We got a key, then we did something, right? Or was it 14 to 15? Oh no, submitting the password. Level 13. But yes, that can be used to log on the next level. This is a really long key though. Really long key. It's a long key. Okay, SSH-RSA. Really long string. Then username at host. Let's try that. So I clear this. Then SSH-RSA, yeah? Was it? A really long string of nonsense. With a string of nonsense. It's a nonsense string. Wait. Space, then paste, then what? I've reached the end of the page. What? This is not helpful at all. I'm going to see how this gets proceeded in the manual. Not the manual, the write-up. We need to save the key. Oh, right. The key was supposed to be stored in a file. Then use that file to log in. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to copy this all over again. Just make sure it's on my clipboard. And then terminal. This is nonsense. Then make a file. So how did you make a file? I think it was echo. Yeah. What am I going to call it? Random. Press A key. Yes. Then cut here. Actually, I'm going to use a neo Vim, just Vim. Maybe it doesn't have Vim installed. Oh, it does. Cool. I to enter insert mode, paste everything, then escape. Oh, I forgot how to escape. Since I'm using a 60% keyboard, I actually forgot how to escape. Jesus. How did I escape? Can't open file for writing. What do you mean? Is it okay now? I should have used nano or something. I just need to quit. I'm going to do nano. Problem with history file. What does that mean? Okay, I've copied everything. And then I just need to save this. Control S. Permission denied. Really? Okay, I'm just going to exit. Or maybe it's because I'm in in root. I need to go to a specific file, I'm guessing. Okay, maybe it doesn't want me to write stuff in root. So I'm just going to cd home. Bandit 16. There we go. Probably need to make the file here again. So nano reseki. Then do I save? Permission denied. Again. Why? It is indeed weird. Oh, unable to create directory on Bandit nano. No such file or directory. Huh? Where am I? There's nothing here. Okay. Wow. I just want to create a file. Is that impossible? Because there's literally nothing here. Just a bunch of bandits. And I'm in Bandit 16. Okay, this is frustrating. I'm going to make... How did I make a file? I literally forgot. Is it echo? Let me check. Man echo. Display a line of text. So no, something else. What about cat? Concatenate files and print out the standard input. Yeah, but how do I make a new file? I'll just say cat rsa.txt. No such file or directory. I've literally forgotten how to make a file. Okay. We need to save the key in a file to be used with SSH. As you don't have permissions in the current working directory to make a file, we create a folder in the TMP directory and work from there. Okay. So it's just like there was a previous level we did this, I remember. Just go into root because I feel much better operating from there. Then cd into TMP and make directory. Here, I think here we can. Yes, I think definitely can here. So I will just nano RSA key. RSA key is a directory. Why is it a directory? Can I still work with it? Control S, file name to write. Key RSA. I think that worked. Yeah, this cannot open directory. Permission denied. Jeez, this is hard. This is really hard. What if mkdir-p? Missing operand. Okay, man mkdir. I'm literally learning how to make directories right now. I just want to make a temporary file, I guess. There was a level where we did that. I'll just quickly check which one it was. I'll make temp-d. That was the command. Okay, still can't open, but we have a file. I'm just going to cut this. There's probably nothing. It's a directory. So how do I put something in? Let me just cd there. And I guess I can do something here. Nano is problems with the history file. So you say, let's go. Okay, that worked. Very nice, very nice. So I'm guessing if we nano is 1 and then copy the whole RSA key, I'm gonna copy that, then paste it here. I'm pretty sure we still have the file, right? Yes, keys and keys 1. Good. Okay, all this. So now we need to, is it SSH? I forgot the commands to do the whole thing with the RSA key. But either way, we still have it. Here, temp random SSH key. Oh, touch. touch was the one we needed. Oh, did this guy use Vim? Wait, no. Touch was to create the file, then Vim to write in the file. Use any text editor, save the key in the file here, but you're using the Vim editor, of course. He's a professional. He's a connoisseur. Anyway, we did that. We already have the file in. And then change the permissions of the file so that other users cannot access the file. This step is required as when we try to use the key without changing the permission, we're going to get error preventing us from using the key. Wow, okay. chmod, I do know this command. 400 private key. This is a very huge steep learning curve. Things to learn like permissions and stuff, but either way, let's just do that. So ours is keys 1. Then if we ls-l, yes. So it only has the right. This is right. No, read. It can only be read. Read. This means read. This means read write. I guess it's just permission levels like who wrote it and other etc. It's a lot of stuff. I don't want to get into that now. What next? Now we can use the key file with the ssh command to access the next level. So it was ssh-i private key. So ssh-i is 1. Interesting. Very interesting. Am I doing anything wrong? Probably. Maybe I should be in that folder. But I am. I'm in the temporary directory, no? Yeah. So ssh-i keys 1. Yeah. Identity file, isn't that what you're doing? That is exactly what we are doing. Maybe I shouldn't be in the temporary directory, so I'll just cd dot. But I feel like we should be in there though. Identify keys 1 not accessible. Okay, yeah, so we should be in the directory. I forgot the directory name. Oh, I just need to paste and it's so complicated. Maybe it's because I didn't paste everything. I'll just control A this, then in keys 1, actually I'll use Vim. Warning, oh, the read-only file, so now I can't do anything. Okay, fine. I'll just escape. It's in insert mode. What's the escape key in 60% keyboard? It. I think I need to make a new file. So touch 2 keys and then nano 2 keys, then paste everything and then save, exit. Good. Then ssh-i 2 keys. What? What am I doing wrong? Is it because it's a temporary directory? But I doubt. I highly doubt. What is going on? What is going on? This level has been insane. Insanity. Complete insanity. Oh wait, no. Maybe I need to make it a right file, then run it back. Nope, still nothing. I'm pretty positive we're doing the right thing. I just don't know where we're going wrong. What does the write-up say? I'm literally doing this. Or maybe it's the way I'm saving it. Maybe it should be a specific way. I'm going to save it as 2keys.key. So how do we do that? I think it was mv. Maybe private. Let me just say private. Do we have that? Yes, we do. ssh-i and private.key. What is going on? Pretty sure everything is okay. This is a lot. Oh my goodness. This is why you shouldn't blindly follow stuff. The whole time I was not specifying what to connect to. I was supposed to say Bandit 17 at localhost. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Wait, what? Permission denied. Jesus. You're trying to log into this server on port 22, which is not intended. If you're trying to log in. Oh, okay, so was it supposed to be port 31790? Should be, right? But this guy didn't specify the port. My goodness. Okay, you know what? I will specify the port. Connection reset. Oh my god, it worked. It actually worked. Problem was the port. Oh, thank god. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Okay, so let's actually see if the password is where it's supposed to be. So we need to add etc bandit pass bandit 17. Let's freaking go. I'm so happy. You have no idea. Oh, thank god.